Welcome back to the podcast, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of GitHub and how it revolutionizes the way developers code and collaborate. If you've ever wondered how software development teams communicate and share their projects, stick around because we have a lot to unpack. So, let's start with the basics. GitHub is essentially a platform where developers can host and review code, manage projects, and collaborate across teams. It's like the social network for developers, but instead of sharing vacation photos, they're sharing code. Isn't that neat? Imagine a bustling digital library where every book is a project being worked on, and each author or developer can make their contributions. Now, GitHub offers a range of features that cater to different aspects of the development process. For instance, there's GitHub Copilot, which serves as a virtual AI assistant for coding. Think of it as a helpful sidekick that offers suggestions, writes code snippets, and even anticipates your next move while coding. It's like having a trusted friend who knows programming inside and out, always available to lend a hand. How cool is that? But it doesn't stop there. Security is crucial in software development, and GitHub addresses this with its security features. They help developers find and fix vulnerabilities in their code. It's like having a safety net that alerts you to potential issues before they become a problem. This can save a lot of time and, frankly, headaches later on. Moving on to GitHub Actions, this feature allows developers to automate workflows. Picture this. Instead of manually executing returns or deployments, you set up a series of actions that run automatically when conditions are met. This means more time to focus on creative coding rather than being bogged down by repetitive tasks. It's efficiency at its finest. And we can't forget GitHub Discussions. This feature fosters communication beyond just code. It's a space where developers can brainstorm, ask questions, or engage in technical discussions. Imagine a lively coffee shop where developers are bouncing ideas off each other. It's all about collaboration and community, which is such a vital aspect of development that often gets overlooked. Now let's briefly touch on code review, an essential process for maintaining high-quality code. Developers can provide feedback on each other's work, suggesting changes or improvements. This is akin to having a group of editors reviewing a manuscript. Constructive criticism helps refine the code, making it stronger and more resilient while also enhancing the skills of all parties involved. Speaking of collaboration, it's important to highlight how GitHub connects people through events and webinars. These gatherings allow developers to share knowledge, learn from each other, and even showcase their projects. They're designed not just for the experienced coders, but also for newcomers wanting to get their feet wet. Isn't that inspiring? To wrap up, GitHub is much more than just a repository. It's a vibrant ecosystem where developers can grow, share, and innovate together. The blend of tools they're offering, from automation to community discussions, creates a framework that supports both individual and collective growth. As we close today's episode, think about your own coding experiences or collaborations. What tools or practices have helped you the most? I'd love for you to reflect on that as we sign off. Remember, whether you're a seasoned programmer or just getting started, there's a world of opportunity out there. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time with more insights into the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Happy coding.